Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be my beauty room tour of this room here. I feel very lucky to have this where I keep my makeup and my clothes. It's kind of my getting ready area. It's a pretty small room, but I am so happy to have it. I do have a very small closet though, which I'll be showing you as well. So if you need some very small closet ideas, then here you go. I don't really have that many clothes. Honestly, I have done this video before, actually with this same room. I think it was about a year and a half ago. I have recently cleaned it up and rearranged it and redecorated just a little bit, not major changes, but I thought I would give you an update. I have a separate makeup collection video, so I won't be going into detail on the makeup. So check the description box for a makeup inventory video and a makeup collection video if you're interested in seeing those, and let's get into it. Alrighty, this is the room from the doorway when you first walk in, so I'll just kind of show you. And this room, I feel very lucky to have it, and my husband actually remodeled it for me. When we moved into this house, this room was completely covered by white wooden panels. It honestly was not cute, so this is quite the transformation. We started at the left and we're gonna go around the room. Honestly, this corner is kind of messy and I don't love it. Those two Sephora bags are where I keep my makeup empties. And then this basket, I keep backup type stuff like, you know, skincare, and that's my hair dye that I use. So yeah, and then next to it is the vanity. All right, here is my vanity. And like I said, I do have an entire makeup collection and storage video, makeup inventory, all sorts of ranking videos. All of that will be in the description box if you are interested. These are the IKEA 5 drawers and then the Linman tabletop. It's just sitting on top of it and it's kind of basic, but honestly it's functional and I do really enjoy it. The chair is from Home Goods from a very long time ago, and that mirror is a Revlon mirror that I got from Target many years ago. I won't go into the detail of the makeup, but this is kind of like everyday makeup stuff: foundation, concealer, mascara. I've got two different things of makeup brushes back there. And yeah, I always have Q-tips, but yeah, I go into all the details in that video. All right, this corner is usually where I film with that background, but I'm now kind of changing it up a little bit. Sometimes I use different backgrounds, but that's the chair I'm often sitting in. And this jewelry chest here, I got that from Home Goods also quite a long time ago, 8 or 9 years ago. But that is where most of my jewelry is, and I do have a jewelry collection video. I will link that in the description box. That's an older video, but I haven't bought a whole lot of new jewelry. My laundry basket, this is just life, you know, this is where it is. And that drawer thing has miscellaneous things, but nail polish is in one of those. It's kind of bright here because of this window, but this black table is also from Home Goods. I buy a lot of stuff there. They have good furniture. This is my perfume, and actually now that I'm thinking that, I have a few perfume collection videos as well. This I know is kind of strange. That is an urn. That is from my dog that passed away a long time ago, not my current dog, but it was about 12 years ago, but that is an urn. And yeah, those horns are from Target from a few years ago. This corner, I really don't love those plastic drawers. I've just had them for a long time. They're not cute, but they're functional, so it is what it is. I've got workout clothes and socks and stuff in there, and my purse always sits right there. It's just a convenient location. And then this dresser, I've had this for a long time too, and my laptop is always usually sitting there. This table you've seen in my background quite a bit as well, and this actually used to be my vanity before I got the Linman tabletop. The problem is that it is very wobbly and not great for that. It's honestly better as decoration. This was on clearance at Home Goods also. And then this is where I have my fancier kind of jewelry in there. Like I mentioned, I have a whole jewelry collection video, but this is kind of all my rings are here, watches. I kind of have a lot of jewelry, but it is something I really enjoy. And this little ring holder is usually where I put my wedding ring and also just some other larger rings that just don't fit well anywhere else. Like I mentioned, I have a very small closet. All my clothes are here and in that dresser that you saw in those plastic bins. The only thing that's not here are, you know, jackets, and then I have a few fancy dresses that I keep in our guest bedroom, but I will say that things are stacked pretty high up there just because this is all the space I have. So, you know, there's purses there, sweaters, an extra light bulb for my softbox light. I know, I'm just being creative here. It works though. Honestly, I like this closet. And in the past, I've had larger closets, and I will say it did encourage me to buy more clothes. Now I think twice about what clothes I can buy because there's nowhere to put it. So yeah, that is it for my room. It's really nothing fancy, but I'm really lucky to have it. I really enjoy it. I'm trying to be creative I don't want to spend more money on organization. Honestly, that's the real reason I haven't upgraded some of this stuff, is just, I don't feel like spending money on it. I think this is pretty nice. So yeah, that is it. If you're interested in seeing some of those other, you know, collection videos I mentioned, those will be in the description box, and thank you for watching.